Oh, hello there. Welcome to my kingdom. My name is the DBT King. If you're here, you must be seeking the knowledge and wisdom of coping skills that my nation has been blessed with. Come, have a seat, and let's start from the beginning. What is DBT? DBT, which stands for Dialectical Behavioral Therapy, is a therapeutic intervention which focuses on skills development in order to improve our ability to cope with stress and emotional dysregulation. It focuses on 4 categories of skills development, namely distress tolerance, emotional regulation, mindful awareness, and interpersonal effectiveness. Many of the DBT skills are based around a concept called dialectical thinking, which is the ability to hold and accept 2 or more conflicting thoughts, ideas, feelings, or perspectives as all being able to be true and valid in their own way. By incorporating this perspective into DBT skills, users of this practice are able to accept and find peace in their current situation, knowing that it won't last forever and that things will and can change and improve over time. If this sounds like a practice that would be beneficial to you, please return. I have many more stories and skills to impart on your wandering soul. Until then, be well, my friend.